What's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here. And I need to talk to y'all about some things, man. Cue the intro. Alright, what's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here. So first and foremost, let me apologize for last week, because every week I said I'd put out a video, and last week I let y'all down. I'm a liar, so I apologize. But I was been working on this project, man. I expected this project to take me 1 weekend and 1 week. It has taken me 2 weeks and 3 weekends. Every day I come home from work and I get on my grind, trying to knock this project out. I'm gonna let y'all take a guess what that project was. It took me for fucking ever. Excuse my language. And that's really why I haven't posted anything, because I've been working on that for so long. And don't worry, I got plenty of video for it. I don't know how many videos I should break it up into. I think I'm just gonna make it one, because I mean, why make y'all wait to see the finished product when I already made y'all wait 1 week? But anyways, man, first off, thank y'all for subscribing. Finally hit 100 subscribers. I'm just a tad bit over 100. A small little accomplishment, but hey, man, 100 subscribers is better than 10. You know, I feel like this channel will eventually grow. I feel like I'm doing all the right things. You know, I've done my research, and according to most people, they say you need to have yourself a target audience. That's what you need to focus on. You need to be making content geared toward a specific audience. I do. I got that. My target audience is y'all. People who like motorcycles. People who are interested in motorcycles. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I make videos for y'all. I feel like I'm doing that. I use keywords. The CBR600rr is often searched, and I throw that in just about every title that I have. MotoVlog is somewhat popular, so I throw MotoVlog in there every time as well. And you know, I do my research before I even come up with the title. So I feel like I'm doing all the right things. I just gotta wait now. It's a waiting game. Oh, on the topic of creating or using keywords in my titles and all that, this one, don't try to make an example out of this video, because I'm talking to y'all specifically, my subscribers. Anybody else who's tuning in, I appreciate it anyways. But I have to make a video like this because, you know, I'm such a small YouTuber. I can't do any other type of YouTube posts other than to just post a video. I would have loved to just give y'all some status updates, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, I need some content anyway. So back to the video. You know, I don't expect my channel to grow nothing exponentially or nothing, because I don't post anything crazy. I don't ride too aggressively. I'm not racing anybody, you know, and I'm not taking shots at people who do. I mean, that's their prerogative. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But I mean, my content is not as exciting as others, so I understand why I'm taking forever to grow. You know, I'm just a chill dude, you know, enjoying riding, trying to give y'all some good advice here and there, taking y'all through some scenic roads. I've been motovlogging in the city more often. I haven't come out to a country road like this in a while. Well, actually, that's a lie. My mountain video was a country video like this. But yeah, man, I feel like I'm doing all the right things. So eventually this channel will grow. I'm still enjoying the creative process. I think I'm in my 7th month of YouTubing. And like I said, I'm not expecting exponential growth overnight. I'm gonna just keep grinding, you know, putting the work in. On terms with that project I've been working on, that video will go up the following week, because it's gonna take me forever to edit it. Let me tell y'all my situation. Your boy is broke. I ain't broke, but you know, I got my funds being allocated other places. And the next major purchase I need to make is a new computer, so I can be rendering video a lot faster than I do. Right now I'm working on a Sony Vaio laptop with 4 gigs of RAM, I believe. I believe that's all the RAM I have. And y'all know I'm recording 4K. My GoPro records in 4K. It takes me 1 hour to render 1 minute of 4K footage. My computer is so slow that after I render said video, I can't even watch it on that laptop. I have to put it on my phone to watch it and check for any errors. If there's any errors, I have to go in, correct it, and re-render the thing all over again. So a 10-minute video will take 10 hours to render. So when I tell y'all I'm out here grinding, man, I be trying, but it's hard with a terrible computer. And so when I'm editing video, sometimes I miss stuff because I can't even play it back in my editor smooth enough to see where everything needs to be. So that's a problem I have. But I'm saving up for a 32 gigs of RAM custom PC. And once I get that, I'll be churning out content even faster. But I thank y'all for being I don't know, I waved at that dude when his back was to me. But anyways, man, thank y'all for staying tuned in to Master Yoshi. I appreciate all the love and support y'all be giving, man. It's been dope. You know, I can tell my videos don't reach that many people because surprisingly I don't have that many dislikes, you know what I'm saying? And it's cool to have so many likes, but I'm surprised that I don't have that many dislikes yet. Well, not necessarily, because that just means that the subscribers, people who like the content, are the only ones watching it. So once I start getting on that suggested side of YouTube, you know, that's when I believe the dislikes will go up, because I'll be in people's faces who wasn't necessarily looking for me. But everybody who watches the content is subscribed just about. Well, actually, that's not true. I think, looking at my analytics, it appears that only about 40% of my views come from subscribers. So that's still surprising that I don't have that many dislikes. So it looks like I got some ghost watchers. But I guess I've been rambling on long enough for y'all. But it's been a while since I've talked to y'all. Y'all my people. And before I take off, let me tell y'all one thing. If you are ever in a position in which you need to do some public speaking, please, I beg of you, please sound interested in your topic. Because if you ain't interested, the audience ain't gonna be interested. If you get up there in front of a bunch of people just bumbling through some stuff, ain't nobody gonna listen to you. And another thing, if you are taking some sort of course or some sort of class and say it's the middle of the week, say it's a week-long course, it's the middle of the week or something like that, or the middle of the day, they're about to let y'all out for lunch. And the instructor says, are there any questions? Don't ask no damn questions, damn it. You hold your question until after lunch. We're trying to go eat. And especially at the end of the day, please don't be asking no questions at the end of the day. Now, I understand if you got an exam the next day or something like that, cool. But if you're just going to resume class as usual the next day, write that damn question down, ask it another time, because we're trying to leave. And with that, I'm leaving y'all off, man. Y'all going to see this project on YouTube in a week. Y'all stay blessed. Don't be too stressed. Master Yoshi out. Like the gout. Don't pout and don't shout. Peace.